Tell me the answer. Any one of you? All of you try this?
Think, okay, you did it 10 minutes back.
Two.
Ah,
Rook to
queen to
three. Rook to e3.
rook to e3. This is e3 square. We calculate from white side, Rook to e3. These moves are not working. I will give a hint. If the pawn is not there, this will be a checkmate. And how do you remove the pawn?
Okay.
The first move, one move. I gave a hint. Think and find the answer. I'm not going to tell you the full complete answer.
You did it 10 minutes back.
Queen to
Ah,
three.
Arush, you need to talk. Your voice is not audible. Little bit louder. Queen two.
Queen to
Ah,
E3.
queen two.
Capture the pawn. Queen to c3.
Ah, very good. So queen to c3, and I have to take the pawn. I have to take the queen, or it's a checkmate. So after this, what you do?
You checkmate with the bishop.
Hmm. All of you, Veda, Adinarayan, all of you look at it, Prakit. This move, it's a checkmate, or the only move is he has to take the queen. There is no other way, and this diagonal is beautifully controlled by the white bishop, and it's just like the similar checkmate that we did the previous puzzle. You see here, is there any square for the king to escape? Any square is there?
No.
Can I capture this piece with any other piece? Any of my piece? No,
No.
nothing can be done, right? There is no block, no square for the king, no captures. So it is checkmate. Right. Now we are going to today's topic. Can all of you read it? What is this?
Discovered attacked.
All
Discovered
of you,
attacked.
can you tell me the piece name?
Elephant.
Oh, okay, it is rook. Now onwards you need to call it rook. And what is this?
A horse.
It's knight, and this one is
That's your bishop.
bishop, right? This is definitely king, right? And this one is his name, the green color,
Queen.
queen. And this, how about this one?
Pawn.
Pawn. And can you tell me the value of this? What is the piece name? This one, once again, rook, ROOK, rook. And the piece value is, every piece has different value. Rook is 5 each, and this knight and bishop, or this knight and bishop, 3 each, 3 points. Any guess what's the value of the queen?
5.
It is a powerful piece on the board because it can go straight and diagonally. So it is 9 points. What about pawns?
1.
1. How about king?
10.
No. We don't value the king. It's infinite, beyond value or otherwise, because if the king is not there, if the queen is not there, we can play the game. But if the king is not there, we cannot play game because king is something beyond. We won't value the king is invaluable. Right.